For millions of people, mobile devices have become the first choice. And from shopping and socializing to searching for information, they are tools that have occupied the globe. Now, this shift in user behaviors has serious implications for business and their online presence, particularly in the world of search engine optimization. Now, as Google and other search engine prioritizes mobile-friendly websites, the importance of mobile optimization for SEO cannot be overemphasized. Welcome back. My name is Elisha, widely recognized as SEO-Booster guy. If you are new to my channel, I want to say welcome to my channel, and if you are my subscriber, then welcome back. Of course, as in if you are new, I'm a blogger, I'm a data marketer, I'm a SEO specialist, and I do more on local SEO. But on this particular channel, I have more than one channel. But on this particular channel, I share my knowledge and tips on successful local SEO strategies, freelancing, and building a profitable business online, whether as an individual or as an agency. So in this particular video, I want you to join me to take a closer look at the importance of mobile optimization for local searches, providing you with actionable tips and strategies to enhance your mobile presence and attract more customers. So let's start by understanding the importance of mobile optimization. Mobile usage is on the rise, and more people are using their smartphones to search for local businesses than ever before. Now, Google's data shows that over 50% of all searches are done on mobile devices. In my own opinion, it's more than that. So if your site is not mobile friendly, you are missing out on a huge number of potential customers. Now, I want you to think about it. How often do you pull out your phone to look up a local business or find a quick answer? Now, imagine someone trying to find your store and they end up on a website that is, hard to use on their phone. They might just give up and go to a competitor site that is mobile friendly. In 2015, Google made a significant update by announcing that it would prioritize mobile friendly websites in its search rankings. This change means that websites optimized for mobile devices are more likely to rank higher in local search results compared to those that are not. Google's algorithms now favor sites that deliver a smooth user experience on mobile devices. And trust me, this update is still functional today. It requires businesses to ensure their websites are easy to navigate, load quickly, and provide the same functionality as their desktop versions. Now, let's talk about user experience. When people visit your site on their phone, they want it to load quickly and be easy to use, right? So if your site is slow and confusing to navigate on a phone, people will leave in a hurry. And guess what? Google notices this, which is referred to as bounce rate. So if user bounces off your site because it's not mobile friendly, it can hurt your rankings. Now let's look at how mobile optimization impacts local SEO. One is improve local search rankings. Mobile friendly sites are favored by Google's algorithm, especially for local searches. Now, if your site is optimized for mobile, you will have a better chance of appearing in the local search than any other person. Now, the second one is engagement, which I refer to as user engagement. Now, a mobile optimized site means a faster loading time and a more intuitive design, which keeps users engaged. So higher engagement rates definitely tells Google that your site provides a good user experience, which can boost your ranking. And the third one is increase in conversion. Now, any mobile friendly sites make it easier for users to contact you, make purchases, and find directories, and which can lead to higher conversion rate, which is another factor that Google considers when ranking local businesses. Then the fourth one is mobile optimization, which can also enhance your local listings and reviews. Now, many people search for local businesses using their phones, and they often look at reviews before making decisions. So if your site is mobile friendly, it ensures that users can easily read reviews, find your business information, and interact with your listings on the go. Now, this not only helps with local SEO, but also helps to build trust with your potential customers. Now, what are the key elements to look out for when it comes to optimizing your site for mobile use? The first thing you have to put into consideration is responsive design. You need to make sure your site adjusts well to different screen sizes. Basically, it means your site should look good and work well, whether someone is using a phone, a tablet, or a computer or desktop computer. Now, when a visitors open your site on their phone, it should resize and rearrange itself to fit perfectly. It helps to provide a consistent and a pleasant experience for those who are visiting your site. Now, no matter what device they are on. And the second one is fast loading time. Now, this is how quickly your site loads. No one likes waiting around for a page to load, especially on a phone. If your site takes too long to show up, visitors definitely will leave your website. So to speed this up, you should optimize images and get rid of unnecessary elements that may slow down your site. There are tools like Google's Page Speed Insight that can help you test how fast your site loads and give you tips on how to make it faster. Another important element I would like us to consider is easy navigation. This means your site's menu and buttons should be simple and easy to use on a mobile device. Large buttons and clear menus are important because they help people find what they are looking for without getting frustrated or looking here and there trying to search it or get it out. And next is, don't forget to make your contact information easy to find and click. This includes things like your phone number, email address. If someone wants to call or email you, they should be able to do it with just a tap. If your contact information is buried in a hard to find spot and not clickable on any mobile device, then definitely you are losing out on people. And finally, is you have to make sure your local business listings are up to date and ensure the information on all of them is consistent. Now, this means your address, your phone number, and other details should be current on sites like Google Business Profile. Also, encourage customers to leave reviews. Positive reviews help build trust and can improve your local search rankings. When it comes to optimizing your site, it's easy to fall into some traps that can undo all your hard work. So let's talk about the common mistake you have to avoid or you need to avoid. Number one is ignoring mobile usability. It is tempting to focus only on how your site looks on your desktop, but don't forget about mobile users. A site that is beautiful on a desktop but frustrating on a phone won't do you any good in search ranking. Now, neglecting mobile speed is another concern. So a slow mobile site drives users away, leading to high bounce rate. So you have to keep testing your site speed and make those necessary tweaks to keep things fast. Then the next is inconsistent design. Your mobile site should mirror your desktop function in design and functionalities. If they don't align, users might get confused and your brand's credibility could be doubted. Then the next is overlooking local SEO. Just because your site is mobile friendly doesn't mean that you can ignore local SEO. Make sure you are using local keywords and that your business is listed in local directories to boost your visibility. Blocking files from crawling is another mistake you have to avoid. Some websites accidentally block important files like the CSS, JavaScript, or images from being crawled by search engines. This can mess up how your site is indexed and affect your search rankings. You've got to double check your robot.txt files so to ensure that you are not blocking any crucial stuff. So with all these tips being listed, guys, I want to believe that you have gained a lot today, and I hope you put all you have learned into practice. Mobile optimization is very important for improving your local search ranking and enhancing your experience. So if you found this video helpful, if you find it resourceful, make sure to give it a thumb up and share it with whosoever you think needs it for more SEO tips and strategies. And if you want to explore the depth of SEO strategies and freelancing tips, or you just want to join a supportive community, you can check out my free SEO community on FB called SEO Booster Official. It's a great place to connect with like-minded individuals and get valuable insights. Now, my free passive income tips community on FB, also called Mastery with Elisha, is a place you may also want to join. That if you're interested in, learning how to generate passive income, where I also share knowledge and tips on successful passive income strategies. So you will find the details on how to join this group in the description below. You can also check out my personal blog, oladijoelisha.com, which hosts hundreds of readers daily, helping them to kickstart or enhance their journey either as a content creator, a freelancer, a blogger, or a marketing agent. So I want to say a big thank you for watching, and I want to see you in my next video. If you have any comment, please do so and comment down, and I will take my time to read and to respond if needed. And if there's anything that you want me to talk about as far as local SEO is concerned, or ranking of your Google business profile is concerned, drop it in the comment below or contact me directly, and I will look into it. I will do the video if necessary. Alright, I want you to finally take your time out to check my other videos on local SEO and how you can rank your GMB in my channels. Until my next video,